nature can do things you'd swear were CGI. Glasswing butterflies have see-through wings so predators can't spot them. Known scientifically as Greta Otto, these unique insects boast wings that are almost completely transparent, allowing them to blend seamlessly into their surroundings. There's a desert in Chile where flowers explode into color, but only once every few years. A natural phenomenon where desert regions experience a sudden burst of flowering plants, usually following periods of significant rainfall. A fungus in Oregon is so big, it's considered the largest living organism on Earth. Nicknamed the humongous fungus, believed to be the largest single living organism by biomass on Earth. Which fact blew your mind? Comment below and subscribe for more wild nature.